Melanie, aka Contempairs. If you want to improve your style, get inspired, and be motivated in life, consider joining my squad. All you have to do, memorize nyo na ba to? Click that red button there and don't forget to ring my bell so that you'll be notified if I have new upload videos like these. Happy holidays po. For this video, I will be showing you a very beautiful or glamorous holiday makeup, and this is the first time that I will be doing it impromptu in this video. So hopefully you get appreciated, and come on, mag-makeup tayo with me. And I got everything ready here on my plate. So meron na. These are the products na gagamitin ko for this video. So I got my wax-based foundation. I've been using it for almost 3 months or 4 months now, but look at it. I am saving a lot of money with this. And my time setter makeup finish and my first base makeup primer. So these are from Lime Life by Alcon, same as the foundation and the concealer. And then of course I got my sanitizer before I start touching my face, since look at my face, it's healing really well. I got some breakout. Kahit pa paano nagka-breakout pa rin ako, but I'm still continuing and consistently doing my skincare routine. So sana oh my gosh. Sana mawala na tong mga to. Pero laban lang. Prayers and consistency para dito sa road to kinis face ko, di ba? Agree? So, after nung mga sanitizer, primer, and I got this NYX drugstore drugstore eyeshadow. So I will be using this first time. So this is new. I haven't used any of these. Tapos I got the Vice Ganda eyeshadow din. I'm not sure kung anong magagamit ko dito, but I'm just getting it ready here. And then I got my blush brush. This is for the powder primer, and this is for the foundation. So I got this for here, and the curler. Ayan, ito po yung mga curler, lashes. And then eyebrow tattoo, BYS. This is from Nadine Lustre. So I got this beautiful. So hindi ko alam kung anong gagamitin ko dito. I got I got this enduring lip liner and this lip color. So I'll be combining them. I'm not sure if what color I'll be using for this batch, for this Glam holiday makeup. So eto po. And I got the lip gloss from Lime Life, and of course the mascara from Lime Life. So I am a beauty guide from Lime Life by Alcon, and this is my second sideline and other than YouTube. So dito din ako kumukuha ng mga free makeup ko kasi I'm selling at the same time. I am the brand ambassador of my own business. Di ba? Ang galing? 2-in-1. So anyways, eto na ang lahat ng gagamitin ko. And by the way, I got this Lime Life Power Glow. Ayan. Meron ako tatlong here. 3. I haven't take out here in this box. Kasi ang ganda niya kapag nag-vlog ka, ang ganda. Parang ang sosyalin ng box. Tapos, kukuha lang ako. These are the Power Glow. Tignan nyo man kung gaano kaganda itong product na to. I made a video from how I use these products. Check this one. Sana yung tinuro ko merong video, no? Ito po. Ito yung gagamitin ko for the last part. So, are you guys ready for our glamorous holiday makeup? This coming 2021. You can use this to 2021 too. So, ready na ba kayo? If you're wondering saan ko nakuha itong earring na to, check my unboxing video for my vlogmas. Nakapag-segue. Check it there. Makikita niyo kung saan galing. But, without further ado, let's get started! Mabuhay! Pahabol, I forgot to show you this blush on and translucent powder from Limelight. And of course, I've been needing a brush for my concealer. And I think that's it. So, dito sa video na to, hindi na ako magsasalita since nasabi ko na kung ano yung mga gagamitin ko for this video. So, I'll be putting my favorite strawberry headband.
The first thing that I will be doing is spraying the first base of the primer and then of course sanitize my hands so that they will be. Let's start with the green concealer. I will be putting it on the marks, pimple marks, blemishes that I have, the pimples, and blending it with my wax-based foundation from My Life. And I will just do it until it's even out on my face. This is the challenging part. I will be using the Brow Tattoo liquid Impronto. So this is not edited. I will be showing you how I do it on my eyebrows. Finish the look of my eyebrows, I will be using this powder eyebrow that I always use and fade it to look it bushy looking and natural. If you like this kind of tip, make sure to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You want a clean and flawless looking eyeshadow when you apply it. Make sure you apply a concealer and make sure you blend it properly on your eye so that when you apply your eyeshadows, it will look flawless, as in flawless. Ito po yung technique na ginagawa ko so that it's not panda looking. So I'll be using yellow, working on orange to green. So just look at the step by step I am doing. This pencil eyeliner from Lime Life is the best. I can make the shape that I want for my eyes and it looks amazing. So if you like to find a really thin and easy to apply eyeliner, message me. I use this color from Revlon, but I still use the Lime Life lip color Devil's Food as well as the lip liner from Lime Life. So you will be seeing different shades of lipstick, and I will be finishing it with my translucent powder. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for good vibes. I'll see you on 2021. Happy New Year! Bye! Thank you so much if you made it this far. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!